There are countless real-life success stories of individuals who have applied the law of attraction and witnessed transformative changes in their lives. These stories serve as powerful inspiration and prove that this universal law works. Hello and welcome back to the Law of Attraction Matters. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of the law of attraction, a powerful principle that can transform your life. If you're ready to manifest your dreams and create a positive reality, you are in the right place. The law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your reality. If you emit positive energy, you will attract positive experiences. It's all about aligning your thoughts with the reality you want to create. Here are a few tips to enhance your understanding and application. Number 1. Positive visualization. Visualize your goals as if they've already happened. This sends a powerful message to the universe about your desires. Imagine the details and emotions associated with your success to attract positive energy. Number 2. Gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you have, attracting more positive energy into your life. Focus on what you are thankful for to attract more positive experiences into your life. Number 3. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce your beliefs in your goals. Repeat them regularly to program your mind for success. Number 4. Set clear intentions. Define your goals with clarity and specificity to give the universe a clear signal. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the universe to align with your desires. Number 5. Eliminate doubt. Believe in the possibility of achieving your goals. Doubt can act as a barrier, so replace it with unwavering faith in your ability to manifest what you desire. Number 6. Positive energy. Surround yourself with positive people and environments. Positive energy attracts more positivity. Number 7. Take inspired action. Align your actions with your goals. Manifestation is a partnership between intention and effort. The law of attraction isn't about sitting passively. Take inspired action towards your goals. Be proactive and open to opportunities. Number 8. Let go of resistance. Release any resistance or negative thoughts. Holding on to negativity can impede the manifestation process. Maintain a positive mindset. Monitor your thoughts and redirect negative energy towards positive affirmations. Number 9. Focus on feelings. Pay attention to the emotions associated with your desires. The more positive emotions you connect with your goals, the more powerful the attraction. Remember, the law of attraction is a mindset and lifestyle shift, requiring consistent practice and alignment of thoughts, feelings, and actions. Comment below on what your thoughts are on the law of attraction. As we wrap up today's video, remember that the law of attraction is a journey. Be patient, stay positive, and watch as your reality begins to align with your deepest desires. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from unleashing the power of the law of attraction. Until next time, keep attracting the positive vibes.